have missed days from Ramadan, can we make up, or do we have to make up for these missed days and then follow that with 6 days of Shawwal? Or can we put the 6 days first and then later on in the year we make up for the missed days of Ramadan? What are you after? When you want to fast the 6 days of Shawwal, what are you after? Everyone says, well, we're after the great dua where the Prophet ﷺ, the great reward that is, where the Prophet ﷺ told us that whoever fasts Ramadan and follows that with 6 days of Shawwal, Allah Azza wa Jal would reward him as if he fasted the whole year. So this is what you want, fasting the whole year, the reward. So if you want this, go back to the basics. What is the hadith? The Prophet says, alayhi salam, whoever fasts Ramadan, the whole complete Ramadan, and then follows that with 6 days of Shawwal, Allah would reward him the fasting of a whole year. Now, if you missed 3 days due to traveling or due to being ill, or if it's a female due to her menses, and she missed these 3-4 days, if she finishes Ramadan and wants to begin with the 6 days of Shawwal, would this apply to her? And the answer is no. Why? Because the Prophet said, whoever fasts Ramadan. And this sister fasted only 27 or 26 days. She missed 4 days or 3 days. So in this case, in order for her to be rewarded, she has to make up for the missed days of Ramadan and then afterwards fast the 6 days of Shawwal. This is a specific incident regarding to the hadith and the understanding of the hadith as well.